Hello and thank you for watching another one of our tax software training videos. In this video, we're going to be discussing the paperless solution for the online software. A paperless solution for an office needs to contain basically three elements, right? First one is the ability to capture taxpayer signatures. Second one is the ability to deliver documents to the taxpayer paperlessly. And the third is the ability to scan and store taxpayer documents directly inside the tax return. So we're going to touch on two of those real quick. And where you're going to find those items is, here's our tax office, is under the client search. If we click into client search, we have the ability, you can see I only have two tax returns in here, just two real quick generic tax returns. I can click on this drop down select option, which is where we would get client status. We can password protect it, we can print without having to go into the tax return, all kinds of good stuff there. But I can see I got my scanned documents and I have my email return. Email return will pull up an email, our email utility. You can see that it's pulling in the PDF of the client's tax return. It's password protecting using the last four of the client's social, and then it's pulling in the email address from the client's tax return. Now we could say, oh sorry, this is the tax office's email, and this is the client's. If I had entered in an email address in the tax return, it will pull that in for me so I don't have to go looking for it. And at this point, I would just click send email, and it would send this. I don't know whose email that was, but they just got a copy of this tax return and have no clue how to access it. But as you can see, it's very easy. You can just send it right out of the system and get those documents delivered quickly. The second element that we're going to discuss about going paperless is the storage of clients' documents. How do we store those? Well, if you're using a mobile device or a tablet, you would simply take a picture of them and then you would attach them into the tax return. You can attach them inside the tax return, which I'll show you in a moment, or you can attach them right here from the select option in the client list. And all that you would do is click select option, scan documents. Let's pull this down so you can see it a little better. Upload those documents, double click there, and I have it opening up to my picture library here. And who doesn't like a cute koala? So we'll attach a picture of a koala. You can see all of the file types down here at the bottom that the software supports the ability to store. They are stored for 5 years, so very good. It's almost like a big file folder for you. We store them on our servers, and they're in there forever. So if I go to scan documents, and I can see there's my picture of my koala. Click on it, open it up. You can download it to your computer. It's amazing, incredibly easy to use. The next part we're going to talk about is actually signed documents. So I fast forwarded to the end of a tax return, and this is the last page. We've put in all of our information. We've got our refund calculated. We've got everything ready to go. We've entered in the fact that we're using a bank product, and now we are going to sign the documents. As you can see here, I have this sign button. If you're using a regular PC with a mouse, aka nothing touchscreen enabled, what you would do is you would click here, you would hold the mouse down, and you would have your taxpayer scribble. Now if you're using a tablet, a touchscreen enabled laptop, or a phone to do tax returns, you would simply click sign, turn it around, have them sign on it with their finger, or if you had a stylist of some sort, and it would go ahead and save that signature in there. Now every document that I print, let's go here. We'll print a bank doc. We'll now pull up with the taxpayer's signature on it. You can see the taxpayer's signature right there. If we scroll down into bank documents, somewhere down here, I may have skipped over it already. There we go. Where are you? There you go. There's the taxpayer's signature right on the bank docs. Now, if this was a married filing joint return, you would see taxpayer's signature, sign, spouse signature, sign. So there would be two of them that would be visible there to you. I also said that you can scan documents when you're inside the return. So I'm going to show you where that is. So when you're in the return and you have documents to scan, you have a scanner on your desktop or you're taking pictures with your phone, you can go ahead and scan them right here as well. So you click scan, same functionality, click upload, browse out, Who doesn't love a penguin? There's your penguins, and it uploads into the software. So very, very easy to use. Go right back to the return and continue working. So hope you enjoy our paperless features. We appreciate you guys taking a look, taking the time, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you very much.